Maggie. Joining the militia? Yeah. You're a southern girl, aren't you? Am I going to pick up your knife? You're the son your daddy always wanted. Don't you get me with that knife. Well, the prisoner's attempting to try and escape, look.
What?
Look. Practicing her sword skills.
There's a baby princess.
There's a baby princess?
Mommy. There's a baby princess.
Oh, okay then. Well, she is half English.